You don't need a gym to get six-pack abs. In this video, I'll show you a powerful abs workout you can do at home or anywhere to help you tone and define your midsection. So let's get started. Before going into the exercises, it's important for you to know about all the muscles around your belly. Your abs are made up of four main muscles: the transverse abdominis, internal obliques, external obliques, and rectus abdominis. Out of these, only two are visible: the external obliques and the rectus abdominis. The rectus abdominis is the muscle that forms the six-pack, while the obliques are the muscles on the sides of your abs. To build an impressive set of abs, it's very important to work on all these muscles. This home workout doesn't require any equipment, but it's still challenging. Your body weight alone provides a lot of resistance. Now everyone has six-pack muscles, they're already there. You can't see them most of the time because a layer of body fat covers them. The body percentage at which abs show is different for both men and women. Abs generally show around 10 to 12% body fat for men, though they may start to show faintly at 15% depending on muscle size and genetics. The abs become highly visible at 6 to 9% body fat, giving that ripped look. Abs may appear at about 18 to 20% body fat for women, with a clearer definition at 15 to 17%. Below 12 to 14% body fat, abs are very prominent, but maintaining this level is tough. So let's see how to build abs effectively at home. Before starting any workout, a proper warm-up is essential. Think of it as waking up your body and preparing it for action. For core workouts, a 2 to 3 minute warm-up can do wonders. Start with something simple, like jogging in place or doing high knees. This will increase your heart rate and get the blood flowing. Next, add some dynamic stretches that target your torso, like twisting your upper body from side to side or bending sideways to stretch your obliques. A good warm-up not only helps prevent injuries, but also ensures your muscles are ready to perform their best. So here are the 5 most effective exercises you can do from the comfort of your home to get a six-pack. Start the workout with the single leg sit-up. It is a more advanced version of the regular sit-up that helps you focus more on your abdominal muscles by minimizing the use of your hip flexors. This makes it a more effective exercise for building core strength and definition. To perform this exercise, keep one leg straight on the floor and bend the other leg so your foot is flat on the ground. Extend your arms straight up toward the ceiling. From this position, engage your core and perform a sit-up, trying to bring your chest as close as you can to the knee of the bent leg. Slowly lower yourself back down to complete the movement. Try to do at least 3 sets of 8 repetitions for each leg, focusing on proper form and controlled movements to get the most out of the exercise. Next, do the bicycle. This exercise mixes twisting and crunching movements to target your obliques and the rectus abdominis. Start by lying on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your legs into the air, bending your knees so they form a 90-degree angle. Press your lower back firmly into the floor and keep it steady the whole time. To begin, bring your left elbow toward your right knee by twisting your upper body to the right and straightening your left leg out in front of you. Make sure your legs don't touch the floor. Now, switch sides. Straight your right leg, pull your left knee toward your right elbow, and twist your upper body to the left. Keep alternating sides slowly and in control, bringing opposite elbows and knees together. Aim for at least 8 touches on each side. Next, I have dead bug hand smash. This exercise focuses on your lower abs and obliques with small controlled movements. Start by lying on your back, placing your hands under your lower back, and lifting your legs into the air with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure to keep your head and shoulders flat on the floor. To do the exercise, lift your hips off the floor by pressing your lower back into your hands. This move is called the dead bug hand smash because you're trying to push your hands into the ground with your lower back. Move slowly and control the motion. Don't swing your legs for momentum. Instead, focus on using your lower back to press down into your hands. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Now do the plank with reach. The reach adds a challenge to the regular plank by making your core work harder. It tests your balance and core strength because you'll be supporting your body with just one arm at a time. Start in a plank position with your forearms and hands flat on the ground. elbows directly under your shoulders, and legs straight with toes tucked under. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Engage your abs to keep your torso firm like a wooden plank. Place your feet about 6 inches apart. Reach your right arm forward, trying to fully extend your elbow. Hold your arm in the air for a moment, then return it to the plank position. Repeat with the other arm. Alternate arms, pausing each time your elbow is fully straight. Try to work up to 10 reaches with each arm. The last most effective move is the side plank. It targets your obliques to help stabilize your core. Start by lying on your right side, with your right elbow directly under your right shoulder and your forearm flat on the floor. Keep your left leg stacked on top of your right leg with both knees straight. Your hips should be on the ground. Next, lift your hips into the air, resting your weight on your right elbow and right foot. Push your hips forward so that your body forms a straight line from your head to your shoulders. Hold this position for at least 15 seconds, then switch to the other side. Aim to do at least 3 sets on each side, holding the plank as long as you can. Look down at your feet to check if your hips are in the right position. If you can see most of your foot, push your hips further forward, and you're done with today's workout routine. Don't do this workout every day. A very important thing to consider is recovery. While it's tempting to work on your abs every day, muscles need time to repair and grow. Make sure you're giving your body at least 24 to 48 hours of rest between intense core workouts. During this time, you can focus on other forms of exercise, like stretching or light yoga, which also support your overall fitness journey. While you're working towards six-pack abs, it's also important to avoid common mistakes. Doing exercises incorrectly not only reduces their effectiveness, but can also lead to injuries. Always focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than many reps with sloppy technique. Now, exercises alone won't give you six-pack abs. Diet plays a massive role in this journey. There's a saying in fitness, abs are made in the kitchen, and it's so true. You need to lower your body fat to reveal your abs, which requires eating a balanced and nutritious diet. Focus on high-protein foods like lean meat, chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes. Protein helps repair and build muscle, which is essential when you're working your core. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks as much as possible, as they contribute to fat gain. Instead, go for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Staying hydrated is equally important, as water helps with digestion and muscle recovery. If you're a woman and want to know whether creatine is right for you, watch the video linked below.